Today we are going to continue our discussion of English consonant sounds. Specifically, we are going to talk about voiced sounds, sounds that use the sound of your voice, and unvoiced sounds. These are sounds with no vocal vibration. So, all English consonants are either voiced or unvoiced. Voiced sounds use vibration. So if you touch your throat, ah, you'll feel a vibration in your throat. These are voiced sounds. Unvoiced sounds will cause no vibration. They are only made with air passing through your mouth and lips. P, k, ch, s. These are unvoiced sounds. There's no vibration. There's only air. Like I said, all 24 consonant sounds in English can be divided into unvoiced and voiced sounds. Some of these sounds have very similar pairs, so let's compare. The unvoiced p and the voiced b. P, b. We have the unvoiced t and the voiced d. T, d. We have the unvoiced sound k and the voiced sound g. K, g. We have the unvoiced sound f and the voiced sound v. F, v. We have the unvoiced sound th, usually spelled with a th, and the voiced sound v. V. The unvoiced sound s and the voiced sound z. S, z. The unvoiced sound sh, usually spelled with an sh, and the voiced sound zh, sh, zh. Next unvoiced sound ch, usually spelled with a ch, and the voiced sound j, often spelled with a g or a j. Ch, j. We also have the unvoiced sound h, the h sound. There's no voiced pair for that sound. And then all of the other consonant sounds are voiced sounds with that vibration. That includes the sound, ing, l, r, w, and ya. Those are our 24 consonant sounds divided into voiced and unvoiced sounds. Let's compare similar words with voiced and unvoiced consonants. Park, bark. Push, bush. Tear, deer. Town, down. card, guard, cold, gold, fan, van, fine, vine, chain, Jane, choke, joke. Now listen to the words that I say and write down which word you hear. I'm going to start on the top line from left to right. Park, tier, guard, van, chain. What did I say? I said park, tier, guard, van, and chain. How did you do? Let's move on to the bottom row. Again, listen and write what you hear. Bush, down, cold, fine, choke. Let's check your answers. This time I said bush, down, cold, vine, and joke. Now let's do some practice. Number 1, which one do you hear? It looks like it's gold. Number 2, these pills are huge. Number 4, I don't have any clue. Number 4, that was an excellent pie. Number 5, where did the time go? Now let's check your answer. Number 1, it looks like it's gold. Not cold, gold. Number 2, these pills are huge. Not bills, pills. Number 3, I don't have any clue. Not glue, clue. That was an excellent pie. Not buy, pie. And where did the time go? Not dime, time. Now let's look at consonant ending sounds. For most learners of English, consonants at the ends of words are harder to hear and pronounce than at the beginning. So let's compare. Here we have the p and the b. Lap, rope, lab, robe. Here we have t and d. Cart, spent, card, spend. K and g. We have pick, tuck, pig, tug. S and z. Loose, dose, lose, doze. F and v. relief, safe, relieve, save. Now let's try a little bit of listening practice. So let's use the top line first. Listen and write which word you hear. Lab, card, pick, loose, relieve. I'll do it one more time. Lab, card, pick, loose, relieve. What did you hear? I said lab, not lap. Card, pick, loose, and relieve. How did you do? Let's try the second line. Okay, here I go. Rope, spent, tug, dose, safe. Let's try one more time. Rope, spent, tug, dose, safe. Ready to check your answers? I said rope, spent, tug, dose, and safe. Let's do a little more practice with ending sounds. So for example, in number 1, I might say, did you say neat? Did you say neat? And you would choose neat with a T. All right, number 2. I heard you say believe. I heard you say believe. Number 3. How do you spell white? How do you spell white? Number 4. I like the word leave. I like the word leave. Number 5. Did you say feet? Did you say feet? Number 6. The sign said lap. The sign said lap. Number 7. She wrote have on her paper. She wrote have on her paper. Number 8. Where is the league? Where is the league? Number 9. That's a great prize. That's a great prize. Number 10. Do you have a block? Do you have a block? That is an introduction to voiced and unvoiced consonant sounds at the beginning and the end of words. It takes a lot of practice, so be patient with yourself and just keep working. Good luck.